Hi, Eduardo. You asked a question on how to uninstall the Repfabric Sync tool inside of Gmail. And so in order to do so, you're going to see that the Repfabric tool will be on your right side. I currently don't have mine authorized yet, but this is just an example on how to do the uninstall. You'll notice that you have your Repfabric Sync icon up here, which is showing that it's currently active. If you want to remove it, what you want to do is up here on the right side, you're going to see an icon that says extensions. This is for your Chrome extensions, all of them. So if you want to click on that, you're going to see the access of all your Chrome extensions. In particular, just go to the one here that says Manage Extensions right at the bottom. And then you're going to get your full window of all the extensions you currently have in Chrome. Go ahead and scroll on down until you find the one that says Repfabric Sync. And then there's a button here that says Remove. You can, of course, just turn it off. If you turn it off, then it doesn't run, but it's still sitting there. But if you want to completely remove it and uninstall it, click that Remove button. You're going to get a pop-up window that asks if you want to remove it, and you can go ahead and click the Remove button, and it's gone. So if you also go back to your window here, you're going to notice it's still sitting right here. Just do a refresh. And right when you do the refresh, you're going to see that that icon is now missing because it's not loading anymore. It's not there. That is how you uninstall the Repfabric Sync Plus tool inside of Gmail.